Have you ever wondered what makes the Great American Bracket Race, GABR, a standout event in the drag racing community? Let's explore the 2025 edition of this thrilling competition, its significance, and the recent developments that have racers and fans buzzing. What is the Great American Bracket Race? The GABR is a premier drag racing event that brings together some of the best bracket racers from across the nation. Known for its substantial payouts and competitive environment, it has become a must-attend event for racing enthusiasts. What were the highlights of the 2025 GABR? In 2025, the GABR introduced the SDPC Race Shop racing engines Red, White, and Blue BOGO 100K, presented by Moser Engineering. This event took place from February 27 to March 2nd at the Gulfport Dragway in Gulfport, Mississippi, a new location. For this year, the race featured twin top-bulb Moser Engineering 40K races, along with the Thursday Great American USA 500K Gamblers race. Why was the venue changed to Gulfport Dragway significant? Relocating to Gulfport Dragway offered racers a fresh track and new challenges, enhancing the competition's excitement. The venue's facilities and track conditions received positive feedback, contributing to the event's overall success. What were the key outcomes of the 2025 GABR? While specific race results are yet to be officially published, the event distributed over $150,000 in cash and prizes throughout the weekend, underscoring its reputation for generous rewards. How does the GABR impact the drag racing community? The GABR fosters camaraderie among racers and provides a platform for showcasing talent. Its substantial payouts and well-organized events attract participants nationwide, elevating the sport's profile. What can we anticipate for future GABR events? Building on the success of 2025, future GABR events are expected to continue offering attractive prize structures and competitive racing opportunities, further solidifying its status in the drag racing calendar. In conclusion, the 2025 Great American Bracket Race exemplified the thrill and community spirit inherent in drag racing. With its successful execution and positive reception, enthusiasts eagerly await what the GABR has in store for the coming years. For more insights and updates on drag racing events, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.